Okay, good morning everyone. I just got here to the ramp. We are doing, let's see if I can find it. Can you see it? We're doing a Philly flight out of Alpha 23. We have just a little bit. We have about 66 minutes until this plane goes out. But I just get here. Let me see if I can swap this around. Okay, there's that Philly flight. We have 65 minutes. So our load plan just got here, but I'm looking at the gate, assessing things. Okay, what do we need? And we will need to put that tow tug. It needs to come all the way back here. We need to put the bypass bin in for sure. We need to open up all the bin doors. And then we're gonna pull up. This is called a power stone. This is an awesome piece of equipment. We're gonna pull that one up, open up these bin doors. We're gonna go check out everything. Make sure that those chocks are installed. Put that there, make sure. Okay, then we'll open up this bin door. We'll bring up this belt loader to that bin. Yeah, beautiful day out here on the ramp. Now I'm gonna start moving equipment. Oh, there's the fueler coming. And I'm gonna start moving equipment around. So I will see you in just a second. Okay, bye-bye.